Example problem 25 reads, how many moles are in 1.789 particles of potassium permanganate? So we're told that we have 1.789 molecules of KMnO4. And we say molecules because this molecule, KMnO4, is a bunch of elements that are strung together in one combination, bonded to one another. And so that's the definition of a molecule. So they're asking us for moles. And luckily for us, molecules to moles is a one-step conversion, just like atoms and particles. All three of those are used interchangeably. So molecules of KMnO4 goes on bottom to cancel. And moles KMnO4 goes on top because that is what we are converting to. So in 1 mole, there is always 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules, particles, atoms of whatever you're looking for. So in this case, it's KMnO4. So there's no need to do molecular weight calculations when you're going from moles to particles, atoms, or molecules, or when you're going from molecules, atoms, or particles back to moles. No molecular weight calculations at all. So in your calculator, 1.789 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is 2.97 times 10 to the minus 24 moles of KMnO4 or potassium permanganate. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 25.